Welcome to the grocer.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
It's been too long.
I know. Welcome,
Like
welcome. It's been a week.
We're here.
We made it to the grocer kitchen.
This is where it all happened.
Yeah, this little tiny hallway, but
It's amazing how much you do back here.
we make it happen. I don't know how we do it,
You
but
know,
we
I
do
like
it.
to make a mess in the kitchen, so
I know you
get
do.
ready.
And I like a clean kitchen, so
This is
we're
gonna be great.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Let's get started.
We're making my grandmother's Lebanese dirty rice, or other word is rizajej, and we've got all the ingredients here. We've got the basmati rice, we have the bahārāt, and these are the 7 pepper spice mix,
Oh.
which is gonna flavor this. We have some
Is it
onions.
spicy, like heat?
No, it's like more winter spices like nutmeg, cinnamon,
Cozy sweater,
cumin. Yes, exactly.
snowfall.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay.
And then we have some ground beef, or you can use ground lamb. We have some homemade chicken stock, some salt, some
Onions.
fresh bay leaves,
leaves.
onions, olive oil, and then a rotisserie chicken. My favorite's from Costco. Don't
That's
tell
a Costco
anybody.
chicken?
Yes, that's a Costco
No, do you know
chicken.
I'm obsessed with a Costco
It's my
chicken?
absolute favorite.
Why are we roasting chickens? We should just be going to Costco.
And then we have the fried nut mix, which is the crunchy topping to the rice, which I can't wait for you to have with it all.
First of all, I have a question. Are we
Yes.
chopping anything?
Yes.
Okay, because I have a present for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Aw.
Well, for me and Food 52.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I never get presents from Grossy.
Yes, you. Lies.
That is a lie. Oh
I've
my
got these
god!
gorgeous set of 3 bamboo cutting boards, and do you know what that's for?
The cell. The
For
cell phone.
The cell phone. So you put that in there, and then you can FaceTime me while you're cooking.
Oh my god!
That's what that slot's
That's
for.
perfect.
Perfect.
That is perfect.
Let's use the big one.
Yes. Okay, you ready?
Onions.
Onions are first.
I got 'em.
You're gonna small dice 5 onions.
So let's
and
see
I
what small dice means to me, and then you can tell me if
and
I'm
I
right
brought you
or wrong.
a trash bowl so you can keep the trash all in one place.
What the- Great idea. Would have never thought of that.
How's it going with that small
It's
knife?
pretty beautiful.
Okay.
I don't mind a small knife.
I don't like small knives.
We could probably get you a second knife from Food 52 if you
Oh.
ask for it.
Okay. I'm gonna make a wish list for Food 52, and you're gonna grab it all for me.
They make really good knives. Okay.
No, I love the Food 52 shop actually.
Feeling good about the finish line here.
Yeah, I'm starting to cry.
You dropped an onion over here. So.
I don't want to cry on camera. That's it. That's all the
Okay.
chopping for today. So thank you so much for the cutting boards.
You're so welcome.
Now I get to. Oh, wow.
Are you okay? Can we get this man a tissue? He's so sweet.
We only use olive oil here at Edy's Grocer, so
I love olive oil. Hey, do you know Italian?
I've never heard that before. Really? I thought you were Brazilian.
It's kind of a running gag here. Hey.
We're gonna coat the bottom of the pan with lots of olive oil, very much like
a
Rachel
lot.
Ray does. Yes. You know, I'm a huge Oprah fan, so and Oprah made Rachel Ray.
Really?
Yeah.
Like in a factory or like a voodoo doll?
Stop! Like she made her, like she gave her the
She gave her the platform.
platform to be made.
Just like me inviting you onto my show.
Exactly. You're like, this is it.
Sort of like
this
Oprah
is
and
the.
you're Rachel Ray. Okay, great.
Okay, great. I love. And we're gonna start sweating those. And if you look closely in the pot, you'll see the big, badly chopped up onions are by Grossy, and the little nice dice are by me. All right, so our onions are pretty translucent, and they're starting to absorb up the oil, and it's all sizzling together.
They're
I think
gorgeous.
we're ready for the beef. Toss it in.
Wow. Power move. Okay.
You know,
You're doing that.
like take your anger out.
I
on
love
it.
this. Can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
This
take
is
your
about
anger
me
out.
cooking, actually. In case we forgot. Okay, so you're just breaking it up. And do you want like really small pebbles?
Yeah, little small pebbles, like ground
I love
beef.
that.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
great.
yes.
Okay. Oh, and it's browning.
Yes, that's what we want. You definitely want to get a beef that's low fat, not a high fat beef.
Why
so
low-
you're not
why?
because we put enough oil in there.
Oh, that's true.
And you don't want it. You want like the rice to cook in the chicken stock, not the fat. I wouldn't do an 80-20. I would do like a 90-10.
Okay.
You're doing a great job.
That means so much.
He's all right. Stop. Okay. Oh my God. You guys, the fire is too hot for his hands.
This feels really fun. I like doing it from a distance. I feel like very like witch's brew.
These are Maria's big wooden spoons, who owned this deli for 43 years,
that's
and I inherited
hers?
them. Yeah,
Oh,
that one and
love
the other
that.
big one. Yeah.
I have my grandparents' wooden spoons, and I honestly
think-
like the magic and the flavor in this.
They add flavor. to
Yeah.
it. It's
Oh,
crazy.
they literally do.
They literally do. All
This
right.
feels really good.
Yeah, I feel like we're like at a good point now where we can add the rest of our
you can just keep
ingredients.
going.
You can pour the rice right in here, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So when you start, the water of the rice is gonna be like white. So you wanna get all the starches out, and you wanna get it so it's a clear water. So about a minute of washing it. Okay, I think we're good. That was a whole minute, and the water is see-through now. So I'm gonna add my 2 cups of rice right in there. You ready? All right, now mix it all up.
Okay.
Give it a good twirl. And while you're twirling that around, I'm gonna get the spice mixture, the bahārāt mixture, and we're gonna add that right in there. Mix that all together.
Okay.
And then
Oh,
we're
it's
gonna
give
add
us-
our salt in there as well. We've got 1, 2, 3,
Whoa.
4. I love a lot of
I
salt.
think my high blood pressure medicine is
Kicking.
fulfilled. Oh my god, I wish that you all could smell this. It's unreal.
We're gonna add the bay leaves.
Oh, gorgeous.
Mix those right in there. And then
Oh,
we're
this
gonna
is very
add
good.
our homemade chicken stock in there.
Okay.
And so we have 4 cups. So we did 2 cups of rice, so we're gonna do 4 cups of stock.
Okay.
And I'm gonna throw that right in here.
Gorgeous.
Whee!
Give it a nice stir.
Give it a nice stir.
Get all that stuff off
Like,
the bottom of the pan.
yes, like a good stir.
A really good stir.
Yes. Come on.
Get all the onion skins.
Yes. Everything in there.
Sorry, just casting a spell.
And now I'm gonna put the lid on there.
Gorgeous.
And then turn the timer on. He missed 1 piece of rice and I had to get it. And we're gonna do a 20-minute timer. So we'll do a 10-minute timer, then we'll twist the pot, add the chicken in there, and then cook it for the last 10 minutes.
The chicken.
Are we ready to shred this chicken?
I thought you'd never asked.
All right.
Tell me how you feel about the skin versus the meat.
Skin off, of course. We're gonna use the whole chicken. We're just gonna shred it right into here. We're not gonna use the drumstick, and we're not gonna use the wings.
How big of a piece?
We're shredding.
Shredding. Okay.
Do you want me to help you?
I mean, yeah, get in here. This is what the people want to see.
Us shredding a chicken.
Us
I know.
shredding a chicken.
This is like, I was so excited for this. One
Why
of the
don't
best,
you do the drumstick?
Because I like to eat it.
Oh.
I'm just gonna dig right into this.
You are? Okay, so we have all the chicken shredded, and we're just gonna stand here and eat now.
Our rice has been cooking for 10 minutes. Our chicken is shredded. We got a little snack,
Yeah, we
which
did.
is always needed.
Because now I could keep going.
Whee!
Look at that. She's boiling.
She is simmering, and we're gonna
smells
add the
so good,
chicken
Edy.
right in there. Normally on my recipe on Food 52, it says to do the chicken separately, but this is a new quick hack. You can just add it right in there, mid
We
through.
love a hack.
Mixy, really wellsy.
You're doing a really okay job letting me cook. I could have put the chicken in, but this is fine.
I can't, it's my kitchen. Like I can't have somebody else cook in my
I'm
own
never
kitchen.
gonna learn. Oh my gosh. this is
Okay,
so good.
great. Look, the rice is already like cooking really well.
It really is.
Yeah.
How long does the rice cook after this?
Another 10 minutes and that's it. 20
it's
minutes in
done?
total. And that's done.
Then do you let it like sit covered for a minute or
Yes,
no?
yeah, that's what I like to do. All
Gorgeous.
right, enough.
Look at that.
That's good.
Cover on?
Yes.
You have to do a final stir, don't you?
Just, I like to like, oh my God.
You have to smooth the top over?
I'm just smoothing, yeah. So the liquid is still submerging it. God. Get it on. Get it on. The best part of this dish is the fried nut mix on top, which we
this
have right over here.
gorgeous.
And this is the perfect time to make it. And what we have in ours is cashews, pistachios, almonds, pepitas, sesame seeds, and what else? That's
I'll
it.
take everything.
Oh,
and so you
and
would just,
pine
like,
nuts.
You
Yeah.
just toast it on the stovetop?
Yeah, or fry them.
While this, or fry
While
them?
this, yeah,
Fry them
while
in a
this
little
go.
oil?
Yeah, a little bit of oil.
Any like herbs or spices?
No, no herbs.
Oh,
a little
cool.
bit of salt if you want, but that's it. Or you can use any nuts that you have at home. If you have walnuts or pecans or whatever, it makes a whole
everything
dish. Yeah.
This would be so good on like yogurt. I mean,
So many different things.
Everything.
Salads. I love to put it on top of a salad, like a kale salad.
you
Yeah.
could just make this and be so happy. Gorgeous.
So we did it. The rice is ready.
Ready?
I'm gonna take the lid off. Are you ready, or should you take the lid off?
I would love to.
'Cause it's your
You
day.
can just move back a little.
Put that freaking spoon down already. Look, we don't need it. I got a fork for fluffing. Ooh, look at that.
Man, Eddie, the smell of this is unreal.
So this is what you gotta do. You gotta take your fork and fluff it.
Okay, I want to do something.
Okay, you do it.
You do a big fluff.
I do.
You go really deep.
Yes.
Okay. This is amazing. It's like so fluffy, gorgeous, juicy. I'm obsessed. So look, we have these gorgeous bowls.
The Lebanese dirty rice. This hajij right here. Like grandma would make it.
Just like grandma would make it. Eddie, one of my favorite things about you is you have your Cold Brew with Eddie Instagram live series on
Yes.
Friday mornings.
Yes.
And you have different guests, and you end every
Episode.
season, every episode with a quote from Oprah Winfrey.
Yes.
And it is the most beautiful moment of my Friday morning. Can we talk about your love of Oprah Winfrey?
When I moved to America, I would come home from school and I would just turn Oprah on every day. She was on at 4 o'clock. I would grab my Diet Coke and my 5-pound box of Cheez-Its from BJ's. And I would get on the couch and I just felt like I was bullied so much in school. I didn't really speak English when I moved here. So I would like get on the couch and that was like my therapy every day, was watching Oprah. And I absolutely fell in love with her, but also I think her drive, and she's such an entrepreneur, and she just has so much to teach to people.
Yeah.
So I fell in love with her, and then her show ended when I graduated from high school. So it felt like one of those moments.
We were
like,
graduating together.
Yes, yes. And then we went into life together, you know?
Oprah, call us.
Please, I beg. I'll do anything.
Are you ready to taste this?
I'm ready. Are we gonna cheers or spoons or
I
something?
think so. I don't want to lose any nuts though.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers. The fluffiness of the rice, the delicious chicken, the crunchiness of the nuts.
crunchiness.
But really, to me, it's like the saltiness and the depth of flavor that you get from the 7-spice mixture, which is called
Bahārāt.
bahārāt. That to me is just, it makes it so special. Oh my gosh.
And it's like, I know you thought we put too much salt in there, but I feel like it's the perfect amount of salt. Right?
It's the perfect amount of salt.
And the chicken stock is really like, you gotta
Yeah.
cook this with chicken stock. You
It
can't
gives
cook
you
it
all the
with
depth
water.
of flavor.
Yeah.
Have you ever done this without chicken and veggie stock?
No.
Okay, it could be interesting.
Yeah.
It's so, so good.
But I think cooking the chicken in there
Yeah. it gives
flavors
it-
the rice
Totally.
so much more.
Totally.
It's the best. What I love to do with like leftovers with this for breakfast is like scrambling some eggs,
Oh.
like a fried rice.
Put 'em on top? Oh, you put 'em in it.
Yeah, in it, like frying it all together. So
gosh.
good.
This
Okay.
is so delicious. I cannot wait to make this over and over and over again.
So simple. One pot meal.
You think Grandma would be proud of this one?
Yeah.
If you've enjoyed this episode of The Secret Sauce with Grossy Pelosi, please
Subscribe,
and
like.
yes.
All right, now get
For
out
more
of the way.
episodes. No!
Let him see the cookbook name.
Come on! But what if they want to make your recipe? And your cookbook's not out yet, so they need to go to Food52
.com.
to get the recipe for
The Reza Jej under
delicious.
Edward Massey.
Yeah,
I
it's
think.
actually it's linked below.
Oh, it's right here.
Right below the video.
Just click right here.
It's literally right here.
There we go.
Gorgeous.